Siphinde sinibingelele kwikhaya TV2. Wena-ke uqalayo ukungena kuleli khasi, siyacela ukuba ucofe ibhathini subscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola iy'ndaba njengoba zinjalo. Ngemuva-ke kokuba amalungu e-MK Party efungisiwe kwi-National Assembly, uSpeaker uThoko Didiza, nawa-ke lawo malunga ngokulandelana kwawo: i-former Transnet CEO Siyabonga Gama, former Eskom CEO Brian Molefe, former PRASA CEO Lucky Montana, mase kuba uThembisile Siboniso Mjadu, Nompumelelo Matilda Gasa, uGezani Eric Khobane owaziwa kakhulu ngelika Papa Penny, mase kuba uThulani Innocent Gumede kanye noMzwanele Manyi okhethwe waba ngu-Chief Whip we-MK Party eParliament. Wena-ke okwakho ubuke le video elandelayo.
Gwaza Mkhonto Gwaza. Gwaza. Where we excel, others don't even exist. Yeah?
They replaced Floyd Shivambu and Manie after their defection to MK Party.
Today we witness an historic moment in the swearing in of experienced and capable black professionals, such as myself, who were politically marginalized and sidelined by the ANC of Cyril Ramaphosa. We sit here before you as public servants and members of the National Assembly, representing the people of South Africa.
Hlobbe says the new members are an asset to Parliament because they come with a wealth of experience and expertise.
That we will be able to add value to Parliament because we know the other side. So when officials come to account about what they're doing in those entities, when Eskom comes and talks about a price increase, when Eskom comes and gives us a report about load shedding, we will be able, with the knowledge from the other side, be able to ask the relevant questions.
How